Good morning, everybody. This is your Euro USD setups for today. So one way to look at this at the moment is we've had a bit of a flag brewing this week, which is there, and we now have a flag break. We do have a separation of the oscillators, and they are pointing to the upside. So this could very well be some form of structure that's forming for a move to the upside. I just want to get some levels in on the 8 hour here. That's the zone that we're in, 108354 and 108431. I'd want to see us get above this 108431 and retest for confirmation that this is a flag. If we drill down through the lower time frames, you'll see it's been messy this week. It's been really messy. It's been about as messy as erratic as I've been on the videos this week, but we will be away next week as well, which is also probably going to be more erratic, but we're just getting away into the bush for a little break. And at the moment, trend is up, oscillators have crossed over, everything is looking bullish. The question is, where do you get in? And just looking at the hour, yesterday was a messy, I mean, tails everywhere, bob wire, intraday gap here at the end. Nothing that I really want to get too excited about. I think I would prefer, just looking at this, I would prefer us to come and close this gap. 108286, come back here, build a base here, and then have another move to the upside. I don't think there's another trade that I'd like to take. No, definitely not. So indexes are looking a lot better for trade opportunities. I don't think this is something you want to get involved in just yet. This is a decent level, 108286. If we do get back here and start building a base, that would prickle my interest, and there should be a diagonal. I think that's the closest one that's going to happen, but there should be a diagonal that intersects this, and I think that's kind of where it is. Otherwise it's this one, which just means it'll happen later in the day. Can't predict the time on this chart, but it'll be sort of when 3.5, 4 hours from now, where we get a move down into here, close gap, and then a base up. There is data still coming out, and remember, you've got so much political noise at the moment. You've got elections in Europe, all around Europe. You've got the election chaos in the US. You've got interest rate questions all over the world, and there's a lot of noise everywhere. So there's economic and political noise just everywhere at the moment, which is going to impact both the euro and the USD. So my advice to you at the moment is keep being patient on this. There's a break coming, I can see it, and I suspect the break is to the upside, but it's going to take a while before it actually plays out. So that's kind of my view at the moment. If that gap closes, I would look at it. Otherwise, I'd rather trade the indexes, all three indexes that we watch, the DAX, the S&P, and Wall Street, Dow Jones. They all have pretty decent setups to the upside brewing. So that's where I'd rather focus my energy. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.